Hello friends and welcome back. In this video we will discuss about handling files. Now first of all I will set the current working directory to the test directory that is on the desktop. cd desktop test dir. Now as you can see there is only a subdirectory in this. Now first of all creating files. To create an empty file we will use a simple command that is touch command, touch, and then the name of the file, for example test1, touch, test2, and so on. As you can see the files are formed, that is test1 and test2. Now let's check the further information about the files. As you can see the initial file size is 0 for the files. Now next is copying file. The copying the file from the one place to another, such an easy task. That's it, Control C and Control V. But in Linux, it is much simpler. We will use cp command, cp, and then the name of the file. For example, take the test1 file, and then the directory. For example, if we wanted to paste that subdirectory, and then press enter. Now we will list the contents of the subdirectory, and as you can see test1 is here. Now we will go back to the parent directory. Now after that, as you have seen that I am using tab auto completion. When working with the command line we can easily mistype a file name. Longer the file name, greater the chances that they will be mistyped. For our savior the tab is there. For example, I type only te subdirectory. For subdirectory I will type su and then tab. It will automatically enlist the name. Now further we will learn about linking files. Now if you want two or more copies of the same file in the system, then we will use same physical copy and multiple copy called links. Now hard links create a separate virtual file that contains information about the original file and where to locate it. However, they are physically the same file. That is, they are physically the same, but they have multiple copies. Now, for example, to create a linked file, we will use ln -s. Then we want to create for now the link of test1, and the link name is sl_test. Say sl_test. Then as you can see a new file is formed, linked file is formed, that is sl_test. Now what if we have to rename the files? Now in the awesome world of Linux, renaming the file is same as moving the files. Now the renaming the file is same as moving the file. Therefore the mv command is used for both moving the directories to another location as well as files. Now for example, I want to move test2, mv test2, and to the directory that is my subdirectory. Now I will see the test2 file is not here, and now I will check the subdirectory. As you can see the test2 file is here, and we can move the directories as well. Now for deleting files, for example you want to delete files. Now remember that this command is only for deleting the files. I will use rm space then the file name, for example test1, and as you can see test1 is not there, but test1 was linked with sltest. It has changed the color as it cannot find its link. Now that's all for now. Hit the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel, and download the app Kodi from Play Store. Thank you and have a nice day.